Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my hair, it's been a long week. I had photo shoots and stuff, so my hair is probably looking frizzy, and especially in this Texas heat and with this humidity, looking a hot mess. But anyways, I know it's been a minute since I've been on here, but I had summer school and this whole corona stuff, so it's been a while, but I'm back, trying to be consistent since I have nothing else to do. With that being said, I've been looking at a lot of DIY stuff on Pinterest and just Googling and oils and stuff. I was interested in like doing my own DIY, like hair growth serum and whatnot. And you guys been asking me a lot too about how to, make your hair grow and all that kind of good jazz. And also, if you notice, I got a trim. I had a lot of dead ends, split ends. It was looking a hot mess. Long minute too since I got a haircut, probably like about a good 3 or 4 years since my last haircut. And I know y'all are like, girl, what is your problem? But in my defense, the last time I got my haircut, it was probably like in 2016. And I told the guy I wanted layers, and he was like, you know what, okay, I'm just gonna go inch by inch till you tell me where you want me to stop. And we could figure out, a good length for you. Till I noticed that he already had like half my hair cut off already. At this point, there was nothing I could do because can't glue it on. But so yeah, it took me a while to grow that out to the length I had. I'm gonna insert a picture here for you guys to see how long I grew it out, and then got it cut recently because I finally found a good stylist in Houston, and I will shout out her name somewhere around here so you guys can, if she's in your area, definitely hit her up because she's bomb. But like I've been saying, I've been looking at Pinterest and finding like little ideas on how to do my own DIY hair growth oil and just some of my favorite oils in general, trying to, see what I could curate and mix up. So the first one is like a oil for dark circles. I usually use this in the night, before bed, and in the morning when I wake up. And then the second one will be like a good hair growth oil that you can use throughout the week, massaging your scalp to stimulate hair growth. It's also good if you have, balding, hair spots, your hair is thinning out. These oils are very good with hair growth, promoting hair growth, and yeah. So we're just going to jump right in, and I'm blabbing off too much. So first things first, I'm going to take this. You could take a container, maybe one that was like an eye product that you don't use anymore. Just wash it out with alcohol and water. This one I'm using is like a little Clinique one where I'm going to store my oil. So the first product is Evening Primrose Oil. I'm going to insert some facts so you guys can see. Alright, well this is the Evening Primrose Oil cold press. This comes in like a little capsule, but I'm going to like bust it open. Take this, and I'm going to put in a couple of drops. I use about 10 drops maybe. Alright, you guys can't see the bottom, but I'm going to take this little pill, if you guys can see that. So I'm going to take this little pill and just like squeeze out all the oil. I'm going to do it with like 3 or 4 of them. The trick to getting a good, instead of like having to forcefully squeeze it out because it's not going out for me, I take an old clean earring back and pop it in there. I say the earring back because last time I made the mistake of trying to like forcefully bust it open and it just went over my shirt. So I used 3 of those pills. I'm just going to rub the rest on my scalp to stimulate some hair growth. After that, you could go and mix it up. So see, I use this every night, every morning, under my eye. Helps with dark circles. Alright, so after that, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own hair growth oil. If you also suffer from alopecia, this is a very good oil to use. It stimulates the blood flow to the scalp, prevents hair loss. It also helps control hair loss, fallout, all of that stuff. I know personally, like when I stress a lot, my hair falls out a lot. And yeah, no. I usually use this oil to help with that and hair growth. You guys ask me also sometimes, what do you do to make your hair grow so long, and how do you get that length, sis? We want to know. So this is one of the oils that I use that helps promote hair growth. You don't necessarily need one of these. You guys can use any container you want, but I just find that this is easier to, distribute the product. I'm not going to be using exact measurements, but if you guys want the exact measurements, then you guys can look in the description box below, and I will be more than happy to link it there for y'all. Alright, you guys, so for the first oil I'm going to be using, I went ahead and heated up some coconut oil. You probably can't see that. Here I have some aloe vera gel. And I'm going to be using aloe vera and coconut oil because both of them are very rich in minerals and vitamins. And when you mix the two of them, it's really good for your skin and hair. So I'm also going to be listing some pointers on why aloe vera and coconut oil are good for you. Now, aloe vera oil is good for your hair growth. It helps with your hair falling out. It conditions and nourishes your hair. And it's also a dandruff remedy along with other many benefits. Coconut oil is also good for promoting hair growth. It's also good at preventing baldness, removes dandruff as well, prevents hair loss, nourishes and tones dry hair, and it also helps tame frizz. And I'm just gonna dump some in there. Step, I'm gonna add some, this is sun essential oils, this is cedarwood. I know you didn't just end on me. So my camera died and I don't know where she stopped off at, but we're gonna pick right up. Alright you guys, so apparently my camera did not catch the part of me showing you guys adding the rosemary and thyme. So I added about 7 drops of each of these oils to my little concoction, and you just mix it up along with the cedarwood, aloe vera, and coconut oil. So you guys, this is the hair growth oil. Pop that bad boy right in. Massage your scalp. You know, this is good if you're watching TV. Just while you're watching your favorite show, just go ahead and apply some oil. Moving, get that blood flow stimulating. Just feels so good. And you can even apply some to the ends. You can also use this before you deep condition. Oh, it's wash day. Apply some of that, and you can even do a hot oil treatment with it. Heat it up, put a cap on, take it off after maybe 30 minutes to an hour. And I kid you not, your hair is going to love it. So I use this oil about maybe once a week. Wash days on Sunday, so then I would apply the oil on Wednesday and then apply the oil again on my wash day and do a deep condition along with the oil as well. And then I'll just wash it out. So this concludes our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys use any of the oils and make your own, please let me know. I might also do maybe like a monthly thing, like just showing you guys how my hair grows, and just do like a side-by-side picture showing you the growing process. You let me know in the comments what is some of your favorite oils. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!